In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to free up space in Gmail and Google Drive using the quickest method possible. We know how important it can be to make room for new files and messages, so let's dive right in and get started. First, head over to one.google.com/storage. Log into your Gmail account if you're not already signed in. Here, you'll be greeted by a pie chart that visually breaks down how your storage is spread across Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos. Take a moment to identify which of these is using up the most space. This will give you a good idea of where to focus your efforts in reclaiming space. Next, let's tackle large emails with attachments in Gmail. Open Gmail on your computer and type has.attachment_larger .m in the search bar. This will bring up emails with attachments that are larger than 10 megabytes. Review these emails and go ahead and delete the ones you no longer need. Don't forget to open the trash folder and hit empty trash now to permanently get rid of these emails. A handy tip is to sort by date, so you can start with the oldest messages, which are usually the least important. Now on to Gmail categories. In the left sidebar, you'll see tabs for promotions, social, updates, and forums. Click on each tab and select all emails you don't need anymore and click the trash icon. After doing this, remember to empty the trash just as you did before. Additionally, if you notice a lot of marketing emails, take a moment to click unsubscribe on any unwanted ones so they don't fill up your space in the future. Let's not forget about the spam and trash folders. These can be real space hogs if left unchecked. In Gmail, scroll the left sidebar to find the spam folder, then click delete all spam messages now. Then return to the trash folder and choose empty trash now. A quick refresh of Gmail will show you how much space you've managed to save. Moving on to Google Drive, visit drive.google.com/drive quota, where your files are conveniently sorted by size. Identify any large files that you no longer need, right-click them, and select Remove. Don't forget to head to the trash folder and empty it for these changes to reflect. For Google Photos, navigate to photos.google.com. Click on the gear icon to access settings, then choose Manage Storage. Here, you can review items like large photos or blurry images and delete them if they're not needed. Ensure you also empty the photos trash afterward. If you're using Google Chat or Spaces, open chat@google.com, look through conversations that have large attachments or old messages, and delete any media files or messages you don't need anymore.